morning, students. Today is May 18th, 2020, and we're going to continue with our country fact sheet assignment. So please look over there at the learning targets. We did our 4 questions, so we checked that off, and we did our 4 facts. Today, we're going to continue with 4 or more text features. I want you to write a title. I want you to add a map, add bold text, and add highlighted text. So let's start. So what I'd like you to do, students, is just look at my example here. So this is what you're going to end up with today. You're going to have your name at the top. You want to put your title in. You're going to add a map like this with a caption. And you're going to highlight your text and you're going to bold the text. So just take a look at what that looks like. I'll show you my model. See, there you go. So I have my highlights, I have my bold, I have my map, and I have my title. Good. And I'm going to show you how I do that. First, what I want to do is open my country fact sheet assignment. Okay, here's my model. Now I want to go to the top here, and I'm going to add my title in here. So I have to make space for that, right? So here I do down, down, and I'm going to write my name. Then I go space, space, and I'm going to write my title. And I want to put it in the center. And I'll call it Costa Rica Country Fact Sheet. Everything here is capital. Capital C, capital R, capital C, capital F, capital S. Okay? Now, I'm also going to want to make that bold. So I push the button for bold, and it's bold. Okay. I've got my title added. Now I need to add a map. Okay, to do that, I'm going to open up Google. I want to find a map that I like. So map of Costa Rica. And I want to click images. So I'm going to look at my maps that come up after I push images. And I see a map. Oh, this is one I like right here. So that shows Costa Rica next to the other countries. So I open that and I go down to the picture and I'm going to snip a shot of this map. I'll show you how to do that. To snip a picture of your map on Chromebook, you're going to push Shift, Control, and Camera at the same time. I'll show you. So here I am. Shift, Control, Shift, Camera. Then I'm going to move my cursor and slide it to include everything I want. Let's watch that one more time. Hold Control, Shift, and the camera at the same time. Move your cursor and slide everything included. Very good. Okay, so let me do that now here. Control, Shift, Camera. You see my little cursor? I'm going to pull it down. And I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. Great. Now I want to go back to my document, and I'm going to put my map at the top, right below my title. So I'm going to insert, I'm going to add drawing, not image, drawing, push new. Then I want to click where it says image right here. So we want to pull up that screenshot. And you see it's too big, so I need to move it a little bit. Now I want to add a caption. So here's what I'm going to do. I add a text box. I move it right here. And then I'm going to type in map of Costa Rica. And I click out. Then I'm going to add a little arrow. I'm going to draw an arrow. And I want to make that arrow bigger. So there it is. Now my map's there. And it says map of Costa Rica, points to the map. And I have my map. Excellent. So now we're back at our sheet. We've done the 4 or more text features. We've added a title. We've added a map. Now we want to add bold text and highlighted text. So look back on your document. And I've already added bold text here. The highlighted text is already done. I want to highlight my questions. So if you haven't done that, you select the question and you add the highlight right there. And it should be a light color, like green or yellow. Now I'm going to add bold. And I want to choose my topics. So the first thing is size. So I'm going to go to the question and bold size, just like I'm doing here. Then the next one is population. Okay, so I finished. I have all of my things. Oops, I didn't do this last one, main languages. Okay, so I have everything. I have a bolded top title. Maybe I want to make my title a little bigger. So let me do that. The font bigger, maybe 24. I can even go bigger than that. And 30. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I've got Rebecca Stanton, Costa Rica country fact sheet. I have my map. I have the size. I have the bold. I have the highlighting. So I've got everything I need. So I have my title. I added a map. I added bold text and I added highlighted text. And my document is finished. It looks beautiful. And here it is. Okay. Okay, students, now it's your turn. You're going to add a title. You're going to add a map, bold text, and highlighted text. I'm looking forward to seeing your country fact sheets, and have a nice day.